Adi,
Cools it down.
what are you going to see there, Monet?
Engine.
Engine? Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Come this side. You come this side. I must. This. You're going to open it. No, come this side. Come closer to the car. So there is a lock here, and you open it. Ding. And this is the engine. Did you see the engine?
Yeah.
Where is the engine? No, not that. This one. See? GDI. It is, what is written it there?
G-I-I.
G.
I.
No. G.
G-O-I.
No, D. D.
D.
Yeah. So this is a washer fluid we have to fill.
Pachi, what do you think about the engine, Pachi?
Putting this in the water.
No, what do you think about the engine? Do you
So
think it's
like
cool?
the engine?
Yeah.
So,
Why should they all have engines?
no, all the cars have the engines.
No, the Hyundai needs engine because the you know the
No, don't touch them.
It could be hot, Pachi.
Hot.
Don't touch it.
So Acha has to pour the water on it. See?
Do you know what this water is used for, Pachi?
yeah
What is it used for?
for engines.
No.
No.
Wash the glasses.
You know when Acha put the wiper on, the water comes? Like when he drives in snow and stuff, Pachi? This is the water that comes there.
So you have to put the coolant. And you have to.
What's the car doing here? The Hyundai's engine is so big.
Yeah. This is called a big car.
What's the noise?
And they also opening the engine. Now all the people have to put water because it's winter now, right?
So the engine needs.
Actually, the
Pachi?
water needs-
Pachi, did you really think all engines are big like Thomas?
No, Thomas doesn't have engine.
Thomas doesn't have engine?
No,
Then what does he have?
he has fireboxes, so his coal can go up.
Oh, he's a steam engine, huh?
Yeah, he doesn't have engine.
He has an engine, but it's steam.
This is because gas comes in the tube and the gas goes here. You don't need this inside this, the engine fire it up. Understand?
Yeah.
So you like the engine? This is the engine of the car. Thomas is also engine, but it's a huge engine because it has to
That's
carry
why.
a lot of.
That's why when he saw the E for engine in the book and it was this small, he couldn't believe it's an engine.
Yes.
That's
It
why I wanted you
has
to
only
show.
small engine.
No,
Train has big engine because train is longer, right?
no. Actually, our car is big, so it has a big engine.
Yeah. But those cars have small engines.
But that car is small. This car is big. So cars can go in engines. What's this?
There's all different things Sachin doesn't know. That actually works in the car.
Isn't this? It's from this.
Yeah, it's part of. Don't touch it, it's full of dust.
It has some cylinders and stuff inside, Bachi, that move up and down and
Can
pushes
you
the
start
car.
the car and move it?
No, when it's open, it won't start. For safety reason. Because it can hurt people, right? See? If you look and clean it.
Can you open it, Dada?
Yeah,
You can't open it, can you?
the engine.
No. Anything in there, can you open further?
No. See? You can only clean it. It's all full of dust.
Full of dust.
Yeah.
Is it clean?
See all the dust. Not touch that.
Is this the engine of the car?
This is the engine of the car.